Detroit. What up, though?
At a rally for Vice President Kamala Harris in Detroit, Michigan, former President Barack Obama made a memorable entrance, introduced by none other than Eminem, kicking off his speech with a powerful rendition of the iconic award-winning track, Lose Yourself. Obama electrified the crowd and set the tone for the event.
So look, I wrote down a few things I wanted to say. I love you too. Thank you. I'm here tonight for a couple of important reasons. As most of you know, the city of Detroit and the whole state of Michigan mean a lot to me. And going into this election, the spotlight is on us more than ever, and I think it's important to use your voice. So I'm encouraging everybody to get out and vote, please. I also think that people shouldn't be afraid to express their opinions. And I don't think anyone wants an America where people are worried about retribution or what people will do if you make your opinion known. I think Vice President Harris supports a future for this country where these freedoms and many others will be protected and upheld. And here to tell you much more about that, President Barack Obama.
Hello, Detroit! Dun, 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 dun. My palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. Vomit on my sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. I'm nervous, but on the surface I look calm and ready to drop bombs, but I keep on forgetting. I thought Eminem was going to be performing. I was going to jump out. I got to say, you know, I have done a lot of rallies, so I don't usually get nervous. But I was feeling some kind of way following Eminem.